It looks like a flea. It was moving before I put the slide on it. So I'm guessing this is the eye. It's doing something at the bottom there. Where I think the mouth might be. And there's microscopic bugs inside the body of it. So let's keep in mind this bug was actually moving. I could see it with the naked eye, so anything else that's moving in it's probably going to be microscopic. But it is very, very tiny. So look at this stuff off to the right. Right in front of the face. Those are microscopic. So I'm guessing this is the digestive tract. Interesting. See, it's very active. So this bug is just stuck between two sheets of glass, basically. Right now I'm just doing a fine adjustment on the fine adjustment knob. Wow. Yeah, that's got to be the digestive tract. Pretty wild. Alright, guys. I'm going to try to figure out what this thing is by looking up pictures of microscopic organisms. Even though it's not microscopic, I need to look under tiny organisms and see what this is. If you already know what it is, put it in the comments below. And if you're interested in seeing something else, let me know. This was found in creek water. This was on the far side of the creek, on the other side of the road anyway. And there's another part that's closer to a pipe, and I'm going to check underneath that. I think I'll go ahead and put it underneath with this video. So stand by. Okay, this water appears to be a little bit cleaner. Let's do a little more searching. Okay, whatever this is looking interesting. Let's get a closer look. Okay, I can't tell exactly what it is, but it does have microscopic organisms running around it. If you can see those little black and clear dots moving around, those are alive. That one on the right that's going up to the top. Let's see here. Yeah, they're really tiny. Yeah, there's another one going to the top on the right side. It's a smaller one. It's definitely steering around the stuff. Anyway, like I said, let me know what you want to try to look at under the microscope, and I'll try to make it happen. And if you can identify that other tiny organism, let me know in the comments. Subscribe, pass it on, guys. Talk to you later.